Give me the 14, when it's 14, the kill 14, what you know about? AR-15, the classic speed, many not the start steam, what you know about? BM-16, yeah, you're 16.
So we're 40 yards away. Target is about 15 by 10, I think. But this front sight is pretty much as big as the whole thing. There's the hit. I got my 1, 2, 3. There was already 2 in here. And then my 2 here. One, 2. 1, 2, 3 at the top. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 2. That big hole. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. No more extra mags. I'm not counting them, but we're all in. .305. Just taking too long to get that first shot off. I need to be a little more confident and just press it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So all right, so we got our hits. We got 11 in there, but we need to be 0.06 seconds faster.
Give me the 14, when it's 14, the kill 14, what you know about? AR-15, the classic speed, many not the start steam.